Hey guys, it's Fergal here from Numinix Web Development and Trek Marketing. I just wanted to show you how to create a support ticket and view your existing support tickets so you can manage your ongoing projects and get some more information about what you're doing with Numinix. So the first thing I'm going to show you is from your emails. So this is an email from my Trek Marketing account. I want to open a support ticket with Numinix because I have a problem. So in the subject line, I want to explain what the problem is. So the website loads slowly. And in the description or the body of the email, I'd like you to add what issues you're seeing. Homepage is fine. Product page takes 30 seconds. I'm using Chrome browser on Mac or Windows. It was fine up until 12 p.m. today. And any more information that you can give me that I can relay to the dev team. Once that's done, then you can just send it. So once you send your email, it'll come into the support ticket queue, and I'll pick it up. I'll edit it. I'll make sure everything's in there, and I'll create a task for the development team if they need to get started, or I'll give you an estimate of what it's going to take. So once I've maintained your ticket and updated it, you'll be able to see it in your support ticket queue in the Numinix Support Portal. Now, the best way to get to that is to either go to numinix.com/support or go to numinix.com, find the support icon, which is a chat icon on the homepage or in the header on every page, and click support. And that'll bring you right there. Now, you want to log into this. This is a separate login that you'll have to the Numinix site. They are not connected. This is a third-party service from Jira. They don't integrate into websites. You need two separate logins. My apologies for that. I want to make it better, but for now, it's a separate login from the numinix.com account. So I was emailing from my trek.marketing account, so I want to log in with my trek.marketing account. So it's fergal@trek.marketing. Enter your password. Now, if you haven't set up an account already, but you've been emailing us or you forget your password, you can just create a new password. If the email that you're logging in with is not linked to the tickets that we have open for you, ask your customer success manager, which will be me or Tanner, and we will link the correct tickets to the correct email so that when you do log in, you'll see all the tickets you have. So now we're logged in. So I have 5 requests, and this is where you look for your open requests. It's a good place to start on this page, just to show you how you can add a new request from here. You don't need to email, so you can go directly here, enter the summary, the description, adjust the priority so we know how to deal with it, add any files. Most of this you can do from the email except the priority, but you can mention the priority in the email. So if you want to look at the open requests, the ones that you've sent in or that you are managing will be created by me. So here I have 5. So I've sent in 5 emails. They're all the same. They're all waiting for support. Nobody's picked them up yet. So your status will be here, the summary of what it is, who it's assigned to, which is CSM, and its priority. If there's other requests that you're attached to, you can view them by changing it to all. So here's another one. I am attached to a Numinix segmentation for platform and industry list. So this has already been dealt with by me, the CSM. It's been moved into to-do, so it's waiting for a developer to pick it up. It has an attached task in the developer's work log. I know that because my Numinix project code, NX, also has the task code in the summary. So this has been picked up, it's been dealt with. The rest of them haven't yet. So you can go in here, you can see the updates for this. There's not much in it. And then you can go into these and say, hey, I've sent you this and it's not being dealt with. Can you please increase the priority? And that's how we manage the tickets. And that's how you can communicate with me or the developers assigned or add any information or request any information. Any questions, feel free to call me or give me an email and I can answer. Thanks.